Two. Nice one. 1 minute. Think it's time to reuse the flash. Mr. Potter, try to climb the row. Ah. Ah, wow. Look, oh. Asian look. Come on, like Kung Fu Panda lanterns. Okay, you just stand there, oh. Yeah, there. We'll try to catch those, lanterns. Okay. Nice one. Three, two. One more. Okay, good. Let's go. Don't be. Okay. It won't fall, okay? Good?
Mom!
Oh, see? Oh, I'm just here. Okay. Alright, almost there. And congratulations! You just crossed the bridge.
Yes, I want.
Yes. Oh. See, it's not that scary. Ooh, wow. How about deer? Dito, there, oh. Here, Shan. You stand there, oh. Yan. Yeah, under the stairs. Climb. Then, the stairs lang. Ayan, dyan. Okay. Stand there, yan. Good. One more. Nice one. How about you cross your hand like this? Yeah. Very good. Smile. Nice one, Shan. Is this plane?
I don't.
From what movie? I think it's Madagascar, right? Madagascar movie. Have you watched that?
Maybe.
Ah, okay. See, come on, sige, keep on playing. No worries. Okay, look at that. Ayan. Come. Ayan. Okay, how about looking here? Nice one. Smile, Shan. Very good. Nice one. Perfect. Another. Very good. Nice. Huh? You just enjoy the place. Woo!
This is even not real.
Yeah, sige.
Wait. Wait.
Sige lang, it's okay. You can press some buttons there. Maybe we might fly. By pressing some buttons. Do you like to move it?
I'm a pilot.
Want to be a pilot someday?
I want to be airplane.
Oh. Kulay pulang-pula. Nice one. Yan.
My mom is so fun. Mom, I want to go there.
Yan oh, there oh. You go play there oh.
Mom, now please.
You're almost there. Oh, see?
My mom is there.
La la la. To be just.
Tom. Tom.
No, you can, of course. La la la. Is there a show? Ah, birthday, birthday event na lang. Oo. Event area. Yan. You just stand there. Good, nice. Di pa balloon background na. Let's see. Oh, yung ganda. Very good. Can you do the pogi sign? Nox. Very good. Oh, close up. Very good, oh. One more. Okay, nice shot. Very good. Where? Okay, steady Sean. You know. One, nice one. 3, 2. Nice one. Very good. Can you do the CrossFit thing? Nice one. Very good, Sean. Okay, good. Pogi sign, the pogi sign. Very good. Okay, good, Sean. How about this, Sean? I know that. That's okay. Can you do this? Nice one. Very good. Nice. Okay. 3, 2. Focus. One more. Perfect. It's okay. Good. Sean. Nice one.
Next operation. Again, this is big for our belly. Taking the operations isn't so easy. Yes, sir. Put a lot of thought into these things. None of your affairs should be in front of the crew. Sorry, sir. You will gain access to construction materials, and will set your rights in the translation point, which will send you in their river. But worry you might have to sing. You always go back to the drawing board.
Just follow the plans out detail. You should be all set.
Sign up na tayo dun sa gingerbread man. Okay. So now you wanna try inside there? Nice one. Good. Nice one. Very good. Okay, nice. Yeah. 3, 2. One more. Smash on. Very good. One more.